In this video, I will show you how to repair emergency light at home very and easy. Please watching the full video. We have just opened this and we have to show that there's battery. We have to show that many boards, one board including in this emergency light. We check the battery voltage output using multimeter. We have to first DC 20 voltage and then we have to check the voltage of battery. Now check its ampere using multimeter. The common wire, use your multimeter common wire to check the battery ampere. The ampere does not appear, so here means the battery is not capable for using this emergency light. So we have to change this battery or charged any other charger. So I charged using output charger. This is a charger. Here we can see that I use external charger. Then we have to see that I use charger. The LED bulb is glow very brightly. So here means the battery is low and I will charge after 3 hours. Then I will show you in this video.